Good morning students. Today we are going to cover the next topic, that is product of monomial with a polynomial. मीन्स कि एक मोनोमियल को हमें पोलिनोमियल से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अभी तक हमने जो लर्न किया है वो है कि मोनोमियल, एनी मोनोमियल मल्टीप्लाइड विद एनी ऑफ द मोनोमियल x y square. This is monomial, they are multiplying here, they are multiplied here. That is 9 3 are 27 x 2 power and 1 power here, total is 3 power, then y is just 2 y square. This is monomial multiplied with monomial. Today we are going to learn how to multiply a monomial with a binomial. Like I am taking an example, the same way same rules will be applicable. Means की power आपने increase करनी है variables की, सेम बेस पावर एंड प्रोडक्ट है तो पावर इंक्रीज करनी है, डिफरेंट बेस है तो ऐड ऑन नहीं करनी है. हाउ 9x स्क्वायर प्रोडक्ट 5x minus 3y, a monomial with a binomial. This time we are taking binomial. How? First of all we will multiply this with first term of the binomial. This monomial will multiply with the first term of the binomial, then this monomial will multiply with the second term of the binomial, and sign आपने product के according adjust कर लेना है. How? First of all 9x square will get multiplied with 5x, minus into plus minus, so monomial will get multiplied with second term, and whatsoever the answer will be, that will be the final answer. 9 5 are 45 x cube minus 9 3 are 27 x square y. In this way we can multiply a monomial with a binomial. We are taking any polynomial, means कि there should be more than two terms, like 6xy, it will be multiplied with 5y minus 9x plus 4xy. It is a trinomial. Even we can take few more terms we can take here. First of all, what I told you, the first term of monomial will get multiplied with the first term, then it will be multiplied with the second term, and then it will be multiplied with the third term. The same process we will keep on repeating. If there are more terms in this polynomial, there are few more terms, still we will repeat the same concept. How? 6xy is getting multiplied with 5y, then 6 minus into plus minus 6xy will get multiplied with 9x. Either take it positive or फिर negative sign इसके साथ रखिए, otherwise it is okay. Plus into plus plus 6xy into 4xy. Now this is monomial multiply monomial, monomial multiply monomial, monomial multiply monomial. 6 5 are 30 x as it is, y into y square, minus 9 6 are 54 x into x square, y is just 1, so it is y raised to power 1 or just y, plus 6 4 are 24 x into x square, y into y square. We cannot add the power of x and y, we are adding the power x and x to y and y to power. So in this way we can multiply any monomial with any of the polynomial. किसी भी polynomial से multiply कर सकते हैं हम इसको. I am taking example from the book, the third question and fourth part I am taking here. It is including the fraction here, that is 2 by 3 p cube. Need to multiply with 3 by 5 qr and multiplying with 1 by 10 into rp. 2 by 3 pq is multiplying with 3 by 5 qr is multiplied with 1 by 10 rp. So what I told you, first of all are monomials. Monomial, monomial, monomial. What we will do, we will just simply multiply their coefficients first and then their variable terms. P, two p's are there, so p square. Q, two q's are there, and R, there are two r's. You need not to do the separate. पहले इनको multiply करेंगे, then you need to multiply with the third. Need not to do that. You can directly multiply all them. All coefficients are multiplied, then P, total P, there are two, Q, there are two Q's, and there are two R's. So if they are getting cancelled, we are cancelling them. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja. So this is 1 in numerator 1, 5 5 ja 25, and this is P square, Q square and R square. Sometimes आपको ऐसा लिखा हुआ मिल सकता है, same thing, P square, Q square, R square divided by 25. Both are the same things. So you can solve all of the questions of exercise 7.3 using this concept, monomial multiplied with any polynomials.